Hello guys, welcome to Generation Rebel. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use Waze, just the basics of it. Alright, so first of all, I'm going to show you how to download Waze app. Never mind. I already have Waze downloaded here. And of course, we need to give Waze an access to our precise location, because how can we use a GPS app without giving it to our precise location, am I right? So I am currently now in the Waze app. And the first thing that we need to do is get started or to register an account. And doesn't take that long if you choose to log in with just connecting it with other platforms. It's just Google. For me, I am using Google because I believe it to be really fast and convenient. So I'm currently now here on Waze, and as you can see, there's a blue button there that asks select vehicle type. So when you just use Waze for the first time, it will be asking you things such as this or your house address, which we will go through later on. So let's just put all the preferences for our car. I just use the private and diesel, because if you choose a diesel, then it will definitely guide you toward the nearest gas stations with diesels and it's very convenient. And now we're gonna be setting our home address in. It's gonna be very fundamental if we want to have our Waze app work, right? Because let's say for most of the time your starting location is at home, but you can also add other address that can be your starting location depending on your location. So I'm just gonna say I want to go to the airport, so I'm just gonna search up airport, and now it has set up to me a direction for the airport. It says that it's 4.3 kilometers away. Other than that, it's also 15 minutes away. And if you can't hear it, Waze is currently telling me what to do, giving me directions, instructions, and as you can see, the distance to the airport as well. This will be updated live as long as your Wi-Fi and your location is on, so make sure to have them on. Make sure to have yourself loaded some data before you leave out to your highlighted route, and everything should be okay. And that is how you use Waze. That's the basic of Waze. If you just want to understand how this works, right? But for advanced tutorials about Waze, you can check out other videos. But for this video, that is it for now. Thank you for watching. This is Generation Rebel. See you in the next one. Bye bye. I hope this helps.